Alright, this is 41685 after assembly. I wanted to pause the first video, but I got interrupted so many times I decided to stop it and we'll just make a second video. Alright, the item's been assembled, and again, I want to make sure that I've not missed anything. I'm pretty thorough. I have about I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably about a 10-step alignment process. It starts out with head positioning. There's a mechanical gauge that we used at Nakamichi to position the heads as far as the tape guide, the head heights, and how far the tape protrudes. The head protrudes into the tape. That's step one. And number two is we use a skewing tape to make sure that the tape does not move vertically over the capstan and pinch roller. It should be just horizontal. All of these are from the my knock days. Number three is I don't know, what is number three? No. Oh, yeah. Torque gauge, which you've already seen. It's a pretty nice instrument. And number four is speed, and that also checks wow and flutter. Number five is azimuth. Number six is playback gain, and I'm losing count here. Then we have a sweep tape. Then we do some recordings like we did for record gain. Then we just have regular music tapes that we listen to make sure nothing goes wrong. But I like the tapes that give us quantitative measurements, like the torque gauge tape. So let's do what we did before. Let's put the machine in pause. Go over here. And let's keep it in pause. And that's probably real loud and distorting the microphone. That's better. And let's get the light off the scope. And zoom in a little bit. And again, what I really like is the horizontal bar graphs that show the decibel readout for left and right. It's a little hard interpreting the scope, amplitudes, but that bar readout device is pretty nice. Normally I turn the lights off in here because it's easier to see the scope. Well, really, I want to see the bar graphs. The scope isn't that important to me. So let's zoom in a little more, and maybe a little more. And that's pretty good. All right, so let's get it out of pause. And now we're going to record that. Actually, that is not recording at the correct level. We should be down about there. Recording too high, we'll go past what's called headroom, and we get distortion. So let's reset the counter. There we go, take two. So again, take a look at where the left and right are on the horizontal bar graph. Let's put it in rewind. And there we go. Pretty nice. And again, there's going to be small variations in tape because of manufacturers don't. It's not an extremely precise standard. TDK and Maxell and Realistic and whoever else, none of their tapes perform exactly the same. This was set up using a Realistic normal bias tape. So I'm going to send this off, and please take a look at this and make sure I haven't overlooked anything. Thanks.